Hi everyone, welcome to our ADTO live show for the Philippine market. My name is Stephanie.
Hello everyone, I'm Grace. I'm so happy to be here to introduce you ADTO Group and the products. ADTO Group is a professional scaffolding manufacturing channel. We provide a one-stop solution for building materials and equipment like scaffoldings, formworks, and engineering machineries, and so on.
Yes, we have very professional team that has earned very good reputation in the Philippine market. And we believe it would be your best choice if we could cooperate. Today, Grace will introduce you the frames, and I will introduce the base jack later. Now, let's kick off.
Okay, first, let me introduce the steel frame system. What is steel frame system? Steel frame system, including the American frame, May frame, sometimes we call it A frame, and is used in Southeast countries. And this is H frame.
Yeah, like the H.
Yes, H frame. 1/4 of a steel frame system, including two pieces of frame.
Two pieces.
Yes, and 2 pieces of cross bears, and 4 pieces of joint pins, sometimes with cut work and cast wheel. Today we'll focus on H-frame. H-frame system widely used in Southeast country, especially in Philippines. Compared with the other Southeast country, Philippines extremely prefer this type. And the popular size of this frame is 1.2 for width and 1.7 meter for the height.
So may I know why this type is so popular in the Philippines?
Well, Stephanie, that's a good question. You see, you can look at this. There are some steps which can be climbed by the workers.
Okay.
Harry, would you mind to try? Look, it's very flexible to use and very, take care.
Yeah.
It's very stable. It's very stable, take care. And further, this system is easy to set up, and the price is much competitive compared with the other system.
How many sets can be loaded by one container?
Oh, Stephanie, you asked a good question. Because more often, this system only can load 350 things for each 40 feet container, and the total weight around 12 tons.
Only 12 tons? That's not much.
Yes, that's true. So because you know the freight system need much space in container while loading, and we know in Philippine destination port like Manila, Cebu, our customers need to spend a lot of charge in customs clearance. For example, for 20 feet container, they have to spend nearly $4,000.
Wow.
And for 40 feet container, they have to spend $6,000. Wow, so this is a big, very big amount.
Really expensive. So
yes, that's right.
How can we help customer to load more and save some cost?
Well, we have 3 ways. So the first way, we can supply the raw material.
Raw materials means the pipes?
Yes, sure. We will reply the raw material pipes and design the size for them. For example, we can show you. For the cross brace, you see, we will provide the outer diameter 21 millimeter and the length will be 4.5 meter. You know why? Because the length of cross brace is 2.198 meter. So this material length can cut into 2 pieces of it.
Okay.
Yes.
Good design.
Yes, it is. And for the out diameter, we will provide this size. The out diameter 42 millimeter or 48 millimeter, which depends on the requirements. And the length will provide 5.15 meter.
5.15.
Yes.
That could be cut into 3 pieces because it's 1.7, right?
Wow, Stephanie, you are so smart. That's true. That's right. And for the Here, for the inner tube, we will design the size, like the outer diameter. Here, please look at here. Inner tube, we will design the size, outer diameter 25 millimeter, and the length will be 5.8 meter. So,
means cut many pieces?
No, we just consider the loading space. You know, 5.8 meter is very convenient for 20 feet container.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
The 20 feet container, the length is 5.8.
Yes, that's right.
That means all the materials have been designed well. Customers just cut it as standard size. No material will be wasted.
Yes, exactly. And when we're loading, we will put the small pipe into the big pipe. And in this way, we can load to maximum weight around 28.5 tons.
Wow, that's much. And this is the first way. How about the second way?
Well, the second way, we will supply the half-finished product. Half-finished.
Half-finished.
Yes. We will prepare everything well, like cutting, punching, fluting, etc. Yes.
Okay.
In this way, our customers only need to assemble and weld them together based on the normal size. So in this way, it can load 850 cents for each 40 container.
Oh, that's helpful to load more.
Yes, that's right.
But Grace,
Yeah.
if some customers don't like about two ways, you know, some customers, they don't want to assemble and cutting. They just need the finished product to use directly in the site.
Yes.
So any other good suggestion?
That's true. So we have the third way. The third way, yes, we will supply the finished product. Finished like this.
Product.
Yes. And when loading, we will mix with the other small and heavy items like scaffolding accessories, like tie rod, tie nut, base jack, castaway, etc. Yes.
Mixed loading. That's a good idea.
Yes. In this way, we can fulfill the container, also the maximum weight, and help our customers to save cost and help them to get the advantage price in their market.
You see, we are really quite a professional supplier and know the Philippine market very well. Another question.
Sure.
How long for the delivery?
Oh, the delivery is very, very fast. We only need 50 days for production and 10 days for delivery. So if you confirm the order and finish the down payment, you can get the container 25 days.
Only 25
Yes,
days.
only 25 days.
It's fast.
It is. So everybody, now I want to show you some loading photos.
Okay.
To help you know more about these three ways. Look. This is for the raw material loading. We put the small pipe into the big one so that it fulfill the container. And this is the half finished. We cut everything and design them. This is the joint pin. Look here. This is the half finished. And this is the finished. Yes, this is a finished loading picture, like this. And we can also mix with the other small items. Yeah,
good.
I think these three ways can help you much and to save your cost.
Yes.
So
and
next.
Now next, let's focus on our another main product, base jack and U-jack.
Base jack, please follow this way.
The base jack and U-jack are widely used together with the frame system and the ring lock system you see here. And even sometimes we use it to replace the shorting jacks. Just use one on the top and another on the bottom. The middle, we use GI pipe to join together. That means sometimes if we don't have the shorting jacks, we only have the base jack, it's okay.
Wow, that's very cool.
Yeah, it's widely used.
Since it can be used Anywhere?
Everywhere, yes.
So may we know what's the specification?
For the specification, the diameter range is from 30 mm.
30
Yes, to
mm.
38
To 38
mm.
mm.
And usually 30 mm is solid. And 38,
And it's 38 hollow.
is hollow.
Yeah.
The length, we could see some sample here.
Please. Hold on
Here is
here.
our
Some
sample.
more details.
Yes, base jacks
Oh.
and U jack. Here, here, and here. Or U jack and the base jack.
Base jack.
The length we could make as per customer's request. And the surface treatment, we could make it painted, electric galvanized, hot dip galvanized. But as our experience for Philippine markets, most like the painted and the length, they prefer 400 millimeter to 600 millimeter. Even some clients only need painted the base plate,
Wow.
because it's cost effective.
You really know our customers. So what's the material?
For the materials, the solid type, it's round steel, while the hollow type,
Hollow
the
type.
material, we have two kinds. One is Q235 and another is seamless steel. For the nuts, you see, it's galvanized cast iron. It's flexible and reliable.
Wow.
Here are many nuts.
Yes, there's so many nice.
Yes.
And what is the load capacity?
The load capacity for the base jack and U jack is 2 tons. And
2
we
tons.
could provide SGS test report. Actually, we could provide all kinds of test report if customer requests.
Well, that's
and we
very
could
perfect.
provide the samples free.
Wow, that's very professional and very helpful for our customers.
Yes.
So may I know how many pieces can be loaded in one container?
Oh, that's a good question.
Yeah.
We all know the base jack and U jack are small and heavy compared to the
Frame.
and ladders and other big scaffoldings.
Yeah.
They don't need much space. So
That's
we
right.
usually pack it by pallets and load it by 20-feet container is okay. I'll take the specification of 30 and 600 millimeter as an example. For this type, we could load 3,500 pieces base jack and
Wow.
3,815 pieces you had together into a 20-feet container. That's really much compared
Yes,
to
it
other
is.
types. Yes.
So, okay.
Okay.
So,
But
yes.
but you know, many customers not only buy the base jack and
That's
U jack.
right. That's what I wanted to ask you.
Yes, yes. They will also buy the frames, ladders, catwalk, and other scaffoldings.
Okay.
In this situation, we will suggest our customer to accept mixed loading by a 40-feet container
Yeah.
to fully use the container space.
Wow, that's very
And
cool.
we will make it 28.5 tons maximum.
Oh, why is 28.5 tons?
Oh, that's the government's request. Every container have the limited weight by each port.
Well, that's really cool. So to satisfy customers is our pursuit, right?
Exactly. Now, I'll show you some pictures, loading pictures for the base jack and U jack. Here
Have a look.
is the full container for the base jack, painted blue. And yes, here is a mixed container. The base jack mixed together with the cross brace, with the catwalk. And here is also the full container. Besides this, I'll show you the test report.
We still have a test report.
Yes,
That's really
SGS test
nice
report.
and professional. Many customers request this actually.
Yes, yes. Here, this is the SGS test report for our base jack.
Base jack, yes. Look.
If you need some other test report will
We can say
provide you the sample.
Yes.
Yes.
ADTO group will be your best choice.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Sorry,
everybody.
the time is limited. We
Yes.
have to say goodbye now.
Yes, thanks for watching. That's all for today. Thank
Yes.
you. This is Grace.
Anything further communication, please leave your message and leave your cell phone number. We will contact you later.
Yes.
Off the line. ADTO are always
Your
waiting
best.
to
Okay.
always ready to serve you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank
very
you.
much.
Bye bye.